In this video, I'll show you how to add text-to-speech to your Squarespace website in just a few minutes, so your visitors can listen to your pages in any language. By the end, you'll have a play button like this that reads your page content aloud on desktop and mobile. Step 1. Create a website voice account. Go to websitevoice.com and create a free account. Website Voice offers a free trial, so you can sign up and start using it at no cost. Step 2. Create a widget. Language and voice. Pick a voice you like. You can preview samples. Speed and pitch. Player style, color to match your brand, and position. Bottom right or bottom left is common. Step 3. Copy the code. Copy your installation code from the dashboard. Keep this tab open. Step 4. Open Squarespace and integrate text-to-speech. Follow the link given in the description to open the code injection page, or follow these steps. Go to the Website tab, then Pages. Under the Pages section, go to Custom Code and open Code Injection. Step 5. Paste the code. Now place the website voice code you copied earlier into the footer section. Then click Save. After saving this, the play icon will appear, and visitors can listen to your content. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more website voice tutorials.